cleaning the hybrid battery bus bars and turn them in seconds from this into this, it's now possible. So stick around and let me show you. Well, I got this horrible corroded bus bars, but the first thing we're gonna use is, of course, you guys remember, the 12-volt battery acid. Besides that, the new ingredient. Yep, sandblasting method. Once we have the 12-volt battery acid in our plastic glass, let's use the bus bar because we need to get rid of the stupid corrosion. There it is. The 12-volt battery acid destroys the corrosion literally in seconds. No more corrosion or anything, but of course we need to take out the acid. So let's wash it with a little water. Gotta take out the water and the moisture. Now we could say they look clean, right? But there's still some residuals, so we need to take these off. Otherwise, this still causing some resistance. So the sandblasting. There it is. Going to apply a little rubbing. All right. So this is the result. Rubbing in sand for just 1 minute, but we need one final step. 2,000 pieces of sandpaper over a piece of flat glass. Water for better results. And that's it. Shiny bus bar with absolutely zero resistance. This is how you know when a bus bar is in good condition. Mirror shiny. Doing this method, your hybrid battery bus bar will be as good as new. So if you want to learn more, stick around for more tips. Bye-bye.